Next question is question number 9. A car is moving at a uniform speed of 35 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover a distance of 140 km? Speed of car equal to 35 km per hour and distance equal to 140 km per hour. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Time equal to 140 upon 35. That is 35 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. 35 4s are 140. So time is equal to 4 hours. Or time is equal to 4 into 60 minutes. In minutes, time is equal to 240 minutes. Answer. Given speed of a car is equal to 35 km per hour. Speed is 35 km per hour and distance is 140 km. We find the time. We know that time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 140 and speed is 35. 140 divided by 35. 35 ones are 35 and 35 fours are 140. So time is equal to 4 hours. 4 hours. And in minutes, 4 multiplied by 60. 6 fours are 24. So required time in minutes equal to 240 minutes. Answer. Question number 10. The speed of an airplane is 120 km per minute. What will be this speed in meter per second? Speed of an airplane is equal to 120 km per minutes. What will be this speed in meter per second? 120 kilometer, 1000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 120 kilometer equal to 120 multiplied by 1000 and per minute that is equal to 60 divided by 60. 0 0 is cancelled and 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 2 multiplied by 1000 that is equal to 2000. Answer. Given speed of an airplane is 120 km per minute. We change 120 km per minute in meters per second, that is 120 multiplied by 1000, and minute per minute divided by 60. 0 0 is cancelled, 6 2 are 12, 2 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 2000. Answer. Question number 11. Find the distance covered by a car moving at a speed of 48 km per hour in 3 hours 15 minutes. Given speed is equal to 48 km per hour and time equal to 3 hours 15 minutes, that is equal to 3 into 15 upon 60, 1 by 4, equal to 3 whole 1 upon 4 hours. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 hours. Time equal to 13 upon 4 per hours. And distance, we find the distance equal to 48 into time is 13 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 12s are 13 into 12, that is equal to 12 3s are 36, 3 carry, 12 ones are 12 plus 3 equal to 15. Distance is equal to 156 km per hour. Answer. Given speed is 48 km per hour and time is 3 hours 15 minutes. That is 3 all 15 upon 60. Change in per hour. 15 upon 60, 15 ones are 15 and 15 fours are 60. 4 3 whole 1 upon 4 hours, that is 3 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 hours. And distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is 48 km per hour, time is 13 upon 4 per hour. 4 ones are 4, 12 fours are 48 and 12 multiplied by 13. We get 156 km per hour. Distance. Answer. Question number 12. In a journey, the speed of a truck excluding stops is 90 km per hour and with stops the speed of the truck is 36 km per hour. For how many minutes does the truck stop per hour? Speed without stop equal to 90 km per hour. Speed with stop equal to 36 km per hour. Difference between them equal to 90 minus 36, that is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 54 kilometer per hour. Difference equal to 54 kilometer per hour. For how many minutes does the truck stop per hour? Required time is equal to 54 upon without stop is 90 multiplied by 60 per minute. 0 0 cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 18 3s are 54. So time is equal to 18 2s are 36 minutes. Answer. Speed without stop is equal to 90 kilometer and with stop is equal to 36 kilometer per hour, and difference is equal to 90 minus 36 is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. So required time is equal to difference between, that is 54 upon speed without stop, 90 multiplied by 60 per minute. For how many minutes does minute, that is multiplied by 60, 0 0 is cancelled, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 and 18 3s are 54. So 18 multiplied by 2 equal to 36 minutes. Answer. Thank you so much.